Want to take your Tableau dashboards from static to stunning and interactive? Then let's dive into creating parameters and calculated fields. First, let's create a parameter. Look to the data pane on the left, click the drop-down arrow in the top right corner of this pane. Then select Create Parameter. A Create Parameter dialog box will pop up. Give your parameter a descriptive name. For example, select region, choose the appropriate data type, like string, if you're working with region names. Now, under allowable values, select list here. You'll manually enter the possible values your parameter can take, such as north, south, east, and west. Hitting enter after each one, click OK. Your parameter now appears in the data pane. Right-click your new parameter and select Show Parameter. Drag the dimension, in this case region, to the filter shelf in the filter panel. Select Custom Value List and type the parameter name. Click OK. Next, let's build a calculated field. Go to the Analysis menu at the top and choose Create Calculated Field. A calculated field dialog box appears. Give it a meaningful name, like sales above average. Now, in the formula area, write your calculation. For this example, let's say we want to flag sales above the average. So write the formula sum sales greater than window_avg sum sales. This formula compares each individual sales value to the average sales across the entire dataset. Double check your formula for any errors. If everything looks good, click OK. Your calculated field is now in the data pane. Drag your new calculated field, sales above average, to the color shelf on your marks card. Now you can easily visualize which sales are performing above average. Experiment with different parameters and formulas to unlock even more powerful insights. Happy analyzing!